Let's learn 25 useful English expressions in 6 minutes. All of these expressions contain the words out of, and we're going to pronounce that T like a fast D or like a rolling R sound, out of. And that F is pronounced as a V sound, v, out of. That's the only time in English that the F is pronounced as a V sound, out of. And if you want to speak more casually, more slang, you can say ada, ada. The first one is out of the question, out of the question. And that means it's impossible, it's not acceptable, it can't happen, it's not going to happen. Because I don't have enough money, buying a new car is out of the question. The second one is out of the blue, out of the blue. If something happens unexpectedly and you're surprised by it, it happened out of the blue. Out of the blue, she told me she was moving to New York. I can't believe it. The next one is out of line. If someone behaves inappropriately, disrespectfully, or rudely, they are out of line. His behavior was completely out of line last night. The next one is out of my league, or you can say out of his league or out of her league. When someone is out of your league, you think they are somehow better than you or superior to you. Maybe they are more intelligent or more beautiful. They are out of my league. This person is out of my league. He's nervous to ask her out because he thinks she's out of his league. Usually this expression is used for romantic relationships, but it can also be used for other situations. I felt out of my league in that classroom. Everyone seemed so much smarter than me. Number 5, out of nowhere. Suddenly, unexpectedly. That car came out of nowhere and we almost had an accident. The next one is out of order. Out of order. Not working correctly, not working properly. Let's take the stairs because the elevator is out of order. Out of place. Out of place. If you feel uncomfortable in a situation, maybe you feel different or you look different from everyone else in the room, you can say, I feel out of place. He looked out of place wearing a suit and tie at the beach party. Out of shape. Not physically strong, not fit, not in a healthy condition. I need to start exercising because I'm out of shape. Out of the loop. Out of the loop. Not informed. When you don't have all of the facts and all of the information that the rest of the people around you do, you are out of the loop. What happened? Tell me why he got fired. I'm out of the loop. Out of breath. Out of breath. When you have difficulty breathing after exercising heavily, you're out of breath. I ran so fast and now I'm out of breath. Out of character. Out of character. When someone behaves differently than usual, differently than their normal personality, you say, that's out of character. His impolite behavior last night was completely out of character. It's not what he usually does. It's not the way he usually is. Out of the way. Out of the way. Inconvenient, far away, difficult to get to. Let's meet somewhere closer because that restaurant is out of the way. Out of this world. Amazing, fantastic, great. Her mother's cooking is out of this world. Out of touch. Out of touch. Not communicating with each other. I don't know where he lives. We've been out of touch for a while. Out of turn. To say something you're not supposed to say, you have no right to say, and maybe it upsets other people. I'm sorry I spoke out of turn at the meeting. Out of pocket. When you have to pay your own money because your company doesn't pay for it or your insurance doesn't pay for it, you pay out of pocket. He has excellent health insurance and he doesn't need to pay anything out of pocket. Out of the ordinary. Strange, different, unusual. Not the same as everybody else. His style is a bit out of the ordinary. Out of your mind. Or you can say out of his mind, her mind. Crazy. You must be out of your mind if you think I'm going to do that. Out of practice. When your skill level goes down because you have not been practicing, you're out of practice. Please don't ask me to play the piano tonight. I'm out of practice. Out of the picture. No longer in the situation, no longer in the relationship. They're not there anymore. She's dating a new guy. The old guy is out of the picture. Out of my budget. Too expensive for me. I need to find a less expensive car because this one is out of my budget. Out of my hands. I have no control over the situation. I am not in control. I can't make the decisions. I wish I could help you, but it's out of my hands. Out of the frying pan into the fire. I like this one. Going from a bad situation to an even worse situation. I know you hate your job, but if you quit, I know you'll be going out of the frying pan into the fire. Out of control. When everything around you is crazy and no one is in charge and no one is following the rules, things have gotten out of control. The new teacher didn't know how to discipline the students and they were out of control. And the last one is simply out of, when there's no more left. For example, we have no more gas. The car is out of gas. And I have to finish this video because I'm out of time. If my videos are helping you, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. Keep practicing and thanks for watching.